If you don't like cold hands but still love gardening, then grab your gloves and let's get prepping for autumn. First, harvest those late summer crops. Tomatoes, beans and zucchinis are ready for picking. Yum! Next, let's plant some autumn veggies. Think kale, spinach and garlic. They love the cooler temps. Now tidy up those flower beds. Deadhead any spent blooms and clear out old plants. Your garden will thank you. Time to prepare for spring bulbs. Choose your favorites and get planting for a colorful spring surprise. Lawn care is key. Aerate and overseed to keep your grass lush and green. Don't forget composting those autumn leaves. It's nature's way of recycling. Prune back perennials to keep them healthy and ready for next year. Plan for the future. Sketch out new garden layouts or browse plant catalogues for inspiration. Last but not least, enjoy autumn's beauty. Plant autumn blooming flowers and shrubs for that extra pop of colour. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share your own gardening tips in the comments below. Happy gardening!